Hey y'all, and welcome to day 2 of the hackathon. And the pattern we'll be using today is my Know Me 2018 early spring pattern. I'm going to be hacking View B, which is the short sleeve shirt. So what I had in mind was I had seen a lot of images of vintage 50s sportswear shirts that were kind of like a woven polo. Let's see what I did. Most of my alterations were done to my front pattern piece. What I did was I traced it out, then I took my ruler and made a diagonal line 1 inch into the armhole across till I got to the line marked the center front. Once I did that, I split the two pattern pieces apart and then traced off the bottom half from that center front line and cut this on the fold and use my top piece as normal. I then made sure to add seam allowances to both pieces where I made the cut at, and we were able to bring those back together. I also then had to make the same alterations to my front facing piece, basically just shortening it. I also then made a other small alteration by taking out the curve in the collar piece. This allowed for a more modern collar to go along with this vintage style shirt. And here's the finished product. Instead of doing just focusing on contrast in the facing area, and the sleeves, what I basically did was, instead of doing contrast in the facing, I used that as the main body fabric and did contrast for that new upper body piece, as well as the same contrast on the sleeves. This gives me a really neat vintage style shirt, and the changing of the collar really gives it a modern flair that I can use on more of this pattern when I want to make it again, not as a sports shirt. This is really fun and really neat, and from here I can also make other alterations, including taking this front piece and angling it over more into this arrow kind of pointing down. I'm really excited about this and expect to see more hacks coming soon. Till next time.